Sodium chloride, also known as salt, is available in nature either from the sea, which is sea salt, or from mining mineral deposits. Why do we need salt in our dough? There are several reasons. First, flavor. Salt is essential for flavoring and enhancing the dough. Salt also slows the microbiotic and enzymatic activity, giving your dough the time it needs to rise properly. Next, the salt will strengthen the dough by tightening the gluten structure. A dough with no salt will be soft and slack with a poor mass. Salt will increase the crispiness of the dough and help the coloring of the final product. And finally, salt will help to improve shelf life, even if it's not very noticeable in pizza. So the best way to use salt is to dissolve it into the water to help with absorption. Salt can also be added to the other ingredients with no side effects. For pizza dough making, it is suggested to use salt in an amount of up to 3%. Thank you for watching this tutorial on salt. Getting it right can make a big difference in how your dough turns out.